is RAM. We're going to be changing the cargo lamps that are not working. Most likely it's the bulb, so we'll change those. And remove this light. What we're going to need is a Phillips head. There's 2 screws on here. Screws are off. You should be able to just pop this light off of here. Sometimes, being that it has a rubber gasket behind it, it does tend to get stuck to the cab, so you just got to pull on it. If you need to pry it with something, you can do that. We'll go ahead and disconnect this connector back here. So I have the third light removed from the truck's cab. We'll go ahead and get the bulbs out and replace those with the LEDs. To get these out, all you need to do is just twist them to unlock them and pull them out. And this being in the center, that's your brake light. This one here and the one on the other side is a cargo lamp. So we'll go ahead and change these bulbs out and replace them with LEDs. Once you have your LEDs bulbs plugged in, you want to make sure that you got them in the right way. Since they're LEDs, they need to be in certain position as far as polarity goes. So you want to go ahead and plug it in and make sure they all work before you assemble it back together. So in my case, looks like I have the bulbs in the right way. Everything's working. I'll just have to test the third brake light and we'll be in good shape. So it looks like all my bulbs are coming on. So at this point, you could go ahead and put it back together, or take it back down if you're going to be tinting the lens like we are.